Hi everyone, today we're going to walk you through the process of sending an email with Brevo. Navigate to the main menu of your platform and select the Campaigns option. This will take you to the area where you can manage and create your email campaigns. Look for the button that says Create a Campaign and click on it. This will start the campaign creation process. You'll be presented with different types of campaigns, such as newsletter, promotional, or announcement. Choose the one that best fits your goal by clicking on it. Next, enter a descriptive name for your campaign. This helps you easily identify it later, especially if you plan to run multiple campaigns. After naming your campaign, you'll see the Campaign Settings page. Here you need to fill in various details. Click on Sender to review the sender information, including the name and email address. After checking, click on Save. Next, click on Recipients to select the list of people who will receive the email. Then, click on Subject to create a subject line for your campaign, and add a preview text to make your email more engaging. Now look for the Scheduling option. Here you can decide whether to send the email immediately or schedule it for a later date and time. Choose your preferred option and set the details accordingly. Once you've completed all the settings and reviewed the details, confirm everything carefully. After confirming, finalize the campaign creation. That's it. Your email is now set to be sent according to your schedule. By following these steps, you can easily create and manage your email campaigns in Brevo. Thanks for watching.